A very good morning, everyone. So, upon the request of Keshe Tashila, we were able to organize a food distribution drive to around 50 families here in Ladakh. This kind of donation has been made possible by Thoma Gurung in the remembrance of her late father, Chawang Gurung. She was able to help many family members during this difficult COVID time by donating $1,000. I, on behalf of all the recipients of your kind gesture, would like to send our collective prayers to your late father. Thank you so much.
ये दीदी नमा गुरु की तरफ से एक हो गया ना और दूसरा
दाल
नमा गुरु के देता नमा गुरु की तरफ से
sugar and heading toward the place. No.
गुरु की तरफ से गुरु की देता हो गया नहीं ले ले एक हो गया ना अब ये दूसरा ये एक दो तीन हो गया तीन और एक किलो